Hello and welcome to the Bot Penguin. In this video, we will show you how you can download a invoice of your subscription. So simply log into your Bot Penguin account. Once you are logged in, you have to click on the subscription section on the left hand side. Once you will click on the subscription section, you will find an invoice section on the top of your screen. Click on invoice and under the action tab, you will get this download option. So from here, if you click on the download option, you will be able to download your invoice for that particular month, for a particular year, for your current billing cycle. You can download it from here. That's all how you can download the invoice on your Bot Penguin account. If you have any question or any concern, you can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing Bot Penguin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.